This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 56 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. This issue, we're getting all the bits of the finger attached together after, of course, we've looked through the magazine. The true adversary. I don't know who the true adversary is. Don't recognise any of those pictures there. If you know anything more about Marvel than I do, which isn't difficult, leave a comment. Let me know what I'm missing out on. So yes, this is the bits we've got today. A couple of plastic brackets that are going to hold basically the rest of it together. Nice and easy. Then we get it all assembled, except for the outer shell, which is obviously to be coming over the next couple of issues, I would think. Eon, the cosmic entity. Looks quite cosmic. It's quite big. There we go. What about that? And Steve, myth maker, Captain America, artist or writer. I don't know. I'm never sure about all of these, but I'm sure you know more about it than I do. So let me clear this out of the way and let's get these parts finally assembled together. Right, so we've got the two other halves for the main body of the finger to assemble. We're going to put that onto there. We've got a washer first onto the tube, and then that goes all the way through there. That went through there quite easily. Not a problem with that. Then we need to dig back to the part that we've had for a while. We've got the plug there that goes in there, and then the outside bit's got to go over there. Actually, I'll get that over there first, and then get that lined up, I think, is the best way of doing that. See where that's going to be. Like that. There we go. So then that will slide in there like it did last time, if I remember correctly. That's that. Then we need to bring in this bit. This goes again onto there. We've already got the washers in that bit, so that goes on there like that. This has again got to go on the outside of that. That through there. That'll do it. There we go. That together like that. Then we need to find this bit, which again goes into there with the thick and thin. Going into that bracket. Well, you know you want to. Oh, it's actually got to be the right way around as well. There's one, they're not same either side of that. So that's that. And then finally we've got the other washer to go on there. Stay there, thank you. And then that will go on there. We've got things to line up. Make sure everything stays where it should be, as well as that fitting into the holes on that side, like that didn't. There we go, that's better like that. And there is going to be a screw through there, but is that the only screw at the moment? Yes, just the one screw to go through there to hold that together for now. Not missing out on the other ones, am I? Let me just double check. Nope, no screws through the other bits yet. We'll be putting them through there at some point, but not quite yet. So have I got one of those already open? I'm sure I have. There we go. No point in opening another packet of screws when I've got a spare one there. So that will go in there. And that will hold the main body of the finger is now completed. Happy with that. That's quite nice and substantial. And obviously all lovely hinged movement in there, and that when it opens up, snaps that back shut just like it should. So the inside is all done. The outside obviously still needs the plates to go on there, and then the attachment points in there as well. So yeah, another finger basically complete apart from the shell, the body of it. The mechanics is done. So that's that, and that's the end of another delivery. So thank you very much for joining me on this journey. I shall see you next time for finishing off this finger, no doubt. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.